here at the Flowmaster Performance Technology Development Center, and we're getting ready to install a Flowmaster U-Fit dual kit. Now, to yank this janky old tailpipe from header all the way to bumper, right out. Don't mount your exhaust to your fuel line. Vapor locking. Anytime you put a load on it, trying to climb over a mountain on a hot summer day. Chose a dual in, dual out, baffled Flowmaster 50 Series HD muffler. Hanger bender. I'm gonna glue this right along the weld seam, not in the middle, but where there's actually some structural integrity. This sets up packaging constraints from the muffler all the way up to the header, and then from the muffler back to where the tailpipe's gonna end. You can see now the passenger side is moving over to the driver's side, where they were both run together right into the muffler. Thanks to Holley Performance and Flowmaster for making my custom dual exhaust easy with the Flowmaster U-Fit Dual Kit. Sounds great.